We're different, we're the same, and we're wonderful. We are different, we are the same. We are different, we are the same by Bobby Jane Cates and illustrated by Joe Matthew. So remember that the author writes the words and the illustrator draws the pictures. We're different. Our noses are different. We're the same. Our noses are the same. They breathe and sniff and sneeze and whiff. Our hair is different. Our hair is the same. It grows on us in several places. It warms our heads and frames our faces. Our mouths are different. Our mouths are the same. Their lips form the words we say and smile when it's a happy day. Our skin is different. Our skin is the same. It tells us if something's cold or hot or wet or dry. It knows a lot. Muscles and bones are wrapped inside it. We all have blood and skin to hide it. It keeps us in warmth. It keeps out dirt. It warms us so we don't get hurt. Our eyes are different. Our eyes are the same. They see, they blink, they weep, they wink. Our bodies are different. Our bodies are the same. They stretch and bend and work and play. They all need food and rest each day. They dance and wiggle and ride a bike. They might look different, but they are alike. Our feelings are different. Our feelings are the same: lonely, worried, scared, excited, happy, loving, glad, delighted. We're the same, we're different. That's what makes the world such fun. Many kinds of people, not just one. A rainbow would be boring if it were only green or blue. What makes a rainbow beautiful is that it has every hue or color. So aren't you glad you look like you? We're different, we're the same. And we are wonderful. And then on the back cover here it says, we all may look very different from each other on the outside, but we're all more alike both inside and out than we know. And that is truly something to celebrate.